dearest principal of the school, Mrs. John, state convener in TAG, co-convener Raja Bhasin, a very eminent writer and a very eminent historian connected with your state. And we have with us a chief engineer retired with us who is a part of INTAC, and he's a very erudite man. His wife runs a very nice school in Shimla, Mr. Ajay Vij. And of course, we have the person from Express Pines who's held your quiz and has been part of your activity here. And we welcome him and we thank all of the others and the school for holding this quiz for us. INTAC is moving into the field of heritage education, and INTAC stands for the Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage. And as part of the heritage activities in the country, this is a part of one of the quiz competitions that we've held here. And we are fortunate that this has started coming up, these things have started coming up into the schools, because we feel you all are a very important aspect of our lives, the younger generation, the children here, and the schools who are playing a very big role in molding the future generations for the country. So holding this quiz is a competitive thing. It is something very interesting. And of course, as you've just heard the answers, most of you have also realized, I think by now, that how important it is to know 70% of your own state and 30% of the country as well. So we are hoping and that with the graciousness that Auckland House School has shown us, that in times to come, Auckland House is going to become the center point of holding the INTAC Heritage Quiz every year that we have been holding here. I think we need a clap for that. The reason being that INTAC has, your Auckland House has already been holding the RBI quiz here, and the schools are now coming into the know-how of how this heritage quiz works. So quickly I'm going to give you in few lines that how we plan to take it further from here. The idea is, you must have heard of Quiz Masters quiz, and you must have heard of seeing various quizzes on TV, and how the children compete and how the schools compete. You must have been, Bonvita quiz used to be a very popular quiz at one time. Do you remember that? So we are hoping that in times to come, this quiz, which the INTAC is starting, we are taking it to schools, and we are also taking it to colleges, and we are also going to take it up to the university level, and so develop the standard of the quiz. And the idea being that we can put our state and our region and our country into the Asian quizzes and into the European quizzes, and perhaps into competitive quizzes also. So to become a quiz master is not only developing your own mind, but it's also going to help you develop an area of your mind and of your career into something which very few are taking it up from here onwards. So I'll convey my greatest gratitude to all the members of INTAC who are here, and you'll be happy to know that we are going to bring in a larger family of INTAC into this very soon. And Ajay Vij has been very kind enough to take the initiative to take it further from here with Raja Bhasin. And of course, I thank you, Ramji, for bringing the Express Minds to Shimla. And may I also, before I close, give you a very interesting aspect that the 100 students who have participated are in fact one of the largest groups participating in the northern region. So you all are a very big group who have participated here. And before I don't want to go to further improve your excitement further up down that line, but you have got a very good result also. You have given us a percentage which is at level with the national percentage. So thank you everybody. Thank you all who have participated.